What up, what up, what up, what up? It's your boy came back again in Adiated presenting Mr. Kimani Capital. And today it's a bright Thursday morning, and we can see everything is super green, super pumpy, super dumpy. We are seeing money flowing into these companies that are, the $1 billion, $2 billion market cap. You can see that, okay, and less to these blue chip coins, right? So this means that we have more volume in this sector than in the blue chip coins. Blue chip means these are companies with over 10 billion in market cap, okay? Coins like Luna, Phantom, all these other strong coins. So there's one thing here that you guys need to understand. So one, we have a lot of negativity that has already been priced in the market. So currently we don't have like any sort of um, bad things happening right now, but there is no volume as well. You can see this one candlestick, bearish candlestick, is being replaced by three candlesticks, bullish candlesticks, which tells me that there is no enough volume to cover this. But chances are, because we've broken out this trend, we're gonna come all the way up here and retest the 42,500K, which is what I'm waiting for to dump it. Because I'm sure once we go there, we're gonna dump as quickly as this in one day, rather than going up in 3 days and having to stomach that weight and a lot of tribulations up and down right there. Okay, so this was a bad touch on this trend line, and it was either a strong bounce off of it or break. And clearly we broke it, and now we are going further up. So again, today I'm not looking at I'm looking at this price coming all the way up here. So hopefully we're gonna see that. I hope we're gonna come back and test it, and I can also look into taking that long right there, because clearly you can see yesterday we were in a range. Very bad market to trade. Trading in this kind of market is just wasting your time, probably looking for a lot of you know you have a lot of pressure because price is not moving accordingly. Okay, so I believe today we're gonna bust above this triangle right here, and I'm gonna see that short term move upwards to 2K, and I may or not take it. That's a 2% win for Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin does exactly that, we're gonna see these other tokens blow up. So I was also looking at Luna coming to retest here, but once we reach that, remember this alert we put here, it hit our alert, came back down, so the alert was legit. So that means we're gonna still go further up, still gonna go further up if Bitcoin goes further up, and hopefully get us to test there, and then come further down. So let me see what this is right here. That's a nice like 5% right there. Which means if you take a long right here, you have a chance of getting that 5% right there. Is it 5% really? Yeah, 2.8%. Not bad, but not good either. That's a 3% right there. Not bad. With 10x leverage is at 30%, but my main goal is looking at this because I still feel like we have a very strong bearish momentum. So we need to see something like that, which will be amazing to see. Okay, so I'll be waiting for that, guys. Not much here. Pretty much everything that I've been talking about. Solana, we also had two options, but now because we're going up, I feel like we are gonna come up here. We're gonna see this happen, and then once we bounce off this trend line right here, it's gonna be a nice catch up patiently waiting. I don't know if I should take this right here, because if this happens, this is a good trade. This is a good trade. But there's no volume, guys. So I don't want to be trading the side that has no volume. I don't want to be holding the bag for days yet. I can wait and hold the bag for a day. It's gonna be faster, and just aligning yourself to the trend. That makes more sense to me. So coin market cap, we collect our diamonds. Log in. I have to log in every day, man. What is wrong with these guys, man? Okay, CoinGecko. Let's collect some candies. Boom, right there. Let's go back, see some stats. Okay, 2 trillion market cap, 96 billion in 24-hour volume. And when you look at the 24-hour volume, XRP is already past Luna. Bitcoin Cash is coming up nice and strong. So XRP is something to look at right now. Let me chart it ASAP. I don't see the volume where it's coming from, because I cannot see any. Yeah, so right there, XRP is coming to test this uh, zone right here, and this is where I'll be catching it up. This is that touch right there. Oh, nice, clean and easy. Yeah, there's volume in there or not. If it breaks that, it's gonna come all the way up here before we see it coming all the way down here. So we have those two scenarios. XRP looking good right there. Very nice analysis done right there. So let's wait for that. Yes, so that's the scenario here. So you can see what's gonna happen. Yeah, that's the current state. So collect some diamonds here. Collect diamonds. Confirm you're not a robot. Boom, like that. So once we're done with that, let's look at the funding rate. Wow, funding rate super negative. Still not trade positive. That means we have a lot of shorts in the market. Can I refresh this? This is coin glass. For those who don't understand what coin glass is where you get to find information about um, shorts. Yeah, it's a negative funding rate, so still have more shorts in the market, and you can see a lot of shorts were liquidated here because yesterday was a bullish day. So that means was uh, the opposite side was liquidated. So, but very few liquidations right there. Long versus shorts. You can see, let's see, in the 12 hours, we have more longs in the market than shorts, so that's fine. Now we know order book. Let me see about this order book thing. Like, I need to study this order book thing. This is something that I've not yet understood when it comes to trading. I think I need to do, like, I really need to understand it. And why is FTX not normally in this statistics? I'll start using Bybit now. Clearly, it has the least fees, doing amazing. So, daily points, let me refresh here. You can see my Luna tokens are increasing by day. Once we do our opinions today, we're gonna have Messari. Messari also gives us very nice news and a lot of data you can get from Messari. If you want to know specifically fundamental on-chain data about tokens, this is cash flow and people help travel payment volume of 100%. Can see we don't have enough news that can shift the market. My opinion, Ethereum to unfold also Ethereum scale solutions. Yes. How are you feeling about altcoins today? They are super bullish. I have more than 5 NFTs. Yes. Yes, massive influences. Brands will actually participate in the metaverse absolutely. And we are done. And I will get my Luna tokens hopefully to 3 today. And now I look at the trending news and see what's really happening from different sources. So women are represented in economies. Um, Blockchain education protocol proof of learn and build multi-chain learn to earn. Wow. So we are talking about now learning to earn game. That's bullish, man. Unveiling its first project called MetaCrafters, a multi-chain learn to earn game that teaches. So you learn, you play to learn, then earn. Amazing. Kusama blockchain. Okay. Can't understand that. Market of cryptos rise as Bitcoin returns above 40k. Nexo partners with MasterCard for Bitcoin backed credit card. Wow. Okay. That is super bullish for Bitcoin. Brazilian Senate announced the upcoming approval of Bitcoin law. Wow, can they approve? Can they make Bitcoin legal as well? Amazing. Bitcoin problems and problems. Binance floats 100 million investment in France. Of course, standing regional footprint in the European Union with 100 million investment. CoinSwitch Cuban was Rex temporarily block INR deposits. Okay. Um, Shiba Inu supply shrinks by 2.4 billion as she got banned. It's marketing. China oil champions prepare Western retreat over sanctions. Yeah. What? China's top offshore oil and gas producer is preparing to exit in operations in Britain, Canada, and the United States because of concerns in Beijing. Wow. Is that gonna create more supply and chain issues? Rare Tech launches NFT collection in support of Ukraine. Oil comeback signs emerge that US producers are ready to drill more. Okay. Kenyan startup partners with AI-powered crypto rating platform EVI. Okay. Allow users to convert fiat shillings to Tether, Bitcoin, and vice versa. Okay. Wow. That would be amazing. With Lipa, did RC Loopring short spike create a selling pressure for investors? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin hold farmers bond yield fall. So yeah, bond yield falls, which means people are cashing out bonds to buy crypto. Amazing, amazing, amazing. 82% of Cardano holders are losing money at current prices. Absolutely. We sent Bitcoin. We sent Bitcoin from Miami to a Ukrainian pawnman who withdrew it at cash in less than 3 minutes or 3 hours. Anyway, that's bullish for Bitcoin. I like that. So guys, today we have not yet made any trade. We're still very okay, waiting for the market to behave and give us the reason why we should be. You can see the funding rate is still negative, which means longs are being incentivized. So until we see this, until we start seeing this change to positive, that's when we know that we have enough long volume. So we still have more sellers in the market, that we have a lot of selling pressure. That's why the funding rate is still negative. So cheers, guys. See you when you see me. I'll uh, tune in my TikTok live to make sure you see me live trade and more analysis and where we can interact more. Comment below what you wanna hear, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification.